Now let me just go over why you would want to use Clixsense to get leads for your business. Well, one good reason is there are more than 5 million registered members, as you can see right here on the Clixsense network. And these people on this network are looking to make money online. So if you're in the make money online niche or the internet marketing niche, this is perfect for you. And a lot of these people, they're just sitting all day viewing ads, and that's how they make money. They use Clixsense to try to make money online. They're viewing ads. They also fill out surveys, and there's tasks they can do. I might go over some of these ways to make money in another video. But these people are making cents, just a few cents, just viewing ads all day long. Okay, now what if you could advertise to them and present to them a better way to make money online? And what's great is a lot of these people, they're not on several internet marketers lists being bombarded every day with offers. Okay, so I mean, if you look at solo ads, when you get leads from buying solo ads, a lot of the leads that you get, they're on several other marketers lists already, and they're being bombarded every day with offers in their inbox. Okay, so that's a great thing about getting leads from Clixsense, is that they're not being bombarded every day in their email inbox. So if you try to market to them through email marketing, there's a good chance that you'll be able to get your message across to them.